Welcome to a video by Abron Exports. These are the four instruments we are giving you the demonstration. Here it is PN junction or semiconductor diode, but this also has a Zener diode and a LED. They can be used. Here we have only the Zener diode characteristic. This one is going as a Zener diode, but our instrument has PN junction and Zener diode and LED characteristic, both same instrument, but the working is almost similar. LED is another instrument where we check the four LEDs. Three LEDs are provided with a meter, and this LDR characteristic means light dependent resistance of the diode is there. This one is here we have we can check that this is a LDR. Here it is mounted the LDR, so the light will, whenever there is a light, you can increase this sensitivity. Let us say I can increase it. Once this voltage is light is falling on this, then you can see, I can just show you here, this light will suddenly this will increase, and if you have the less voltage, less current will be visible, higher voltage, higher current will be visible. The sensitivity changes with the voltage applied. Similarly, the LED, here we have the two meters. One is this meter, it is connected in this dotted lines, and this one is a voltmeter connected to this here section is connected here, and the power supply is connected here on this parallel. So whenever there is a voltage, there is this LED will increase, and this will show you at what resistance this changes. And similarly, this one is a Zener diode. Here we have the suddenly voltage will be passing, current will be passing when the sudden voltage is reached. You see this current has started going. But in this, we have same meters are provided here. This is connected, and this one is in the series. Whenever we increases voltage, the voltage will keep on increasing and the current will keep on coming out. So the difference is the diode has a working. We can understand all these four instruments. And this is our WhatsApp number 99922222049, and another is 9416020018. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com, and website is abronexports.com. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the videos, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.